He was removed from power over alleged failure to follow instructions from the powers that be.
I know. I guess if you're Senate President, the only power that be is the President. I'm not sure what he is referring to. When did I know? The minute they started, the minute actually it was Senator Cheese. The minute he started thinking about it, he already brought it up and he said, I think I'm going to try to be the SP. What's my situation and what do you think? I did not speak to any parties at any point, simply because I was out of town. If you remember on that day, yung nabalita na nung umaga, I was asked if I would issue a statement on the change of leadership. And I said, bakit? Nag-change na ba? Sabi na, well, merong gumagalaw. And when I landed back in Manila at about 3 or 4 in the afternoon, saka lang tapos na. Nag-change na, nag-step down na.